Hi, this is Charlotte Fitzpatrick, MyLoanLady.com. I get a lot of questions about renovation loans. I do a lot of them and have about 19 different renovation products, so there's probably one that would suit your needs. This can be used for a purchase or a refinance. I'm going to talk about purchase in this video. You can use this to purchase a primary residence or a second home or an investment property that you intend to hold as a rental property. So it's a great way to increase the inventory that's out there and maybe expand your options, looking at homes that are maybe close to what you want but not perfect, maybe need some renovation or TLC. You can get a contract with the seller plus a contract with the contractor for the work that is to be done and roll that all into one mortgage loan. The payments do start normally like a mortgage loan, although those can be financed into the loan in some cases, and you have 6 months to complete renovation. So again, this is just a great way to maybe expand your search so that you're looking at homes that come close to what you were looking for but aren't exact, and then you can really make it your own. If you would like more information about this, I'm at myloanlady1@gmail.com. Charlotte Fitzpatrick, My Loan Lady. Thanks.